Unit 4. Amazing World of Animals. Let us learn about kinds of animals, homes of animals, kinds of animals. There are many kinds of animals of earth. Some are big and some are small. Some animals live on farms. Some animals live in the forest. Animals in the farm. Some animals are tamed and kept in farms. They depend on us for food and shelter. These animals are helpful to us. Cows and buffaloes give us milk. Hens and ducks lay eggs. Horses help us to transport goods. Sheep give us wool. We get meat from hens and goats.